Hi everyone! Today I bring you another template. This one is called Journey to Journaling. So I've always loved to journal, but I used to do it very infrequently. And I actually wanted to make it part of my daily life. So I started a set of systems in my Notion, and now I basically journal every day. And so I wanted to share with you what I've done in my Notion, and hopefully you will be inspired to journal as well. Excuse the noise in the background. So in this template, I have firstly a table of contents. So here you can jump to one of the sections in case during the day you want to log something in. And then this template works with weeks and days. So let's just do a demo together. I'm just going to delete this one. I'm just going to start a new week. And also in the whole template, there's instructions everywhere to tell you what to do. But it's very easy to create a week. You just click new. And then I like just going here and choosing the dates first. That way I can just choose 19. I usually just go 19th of July until 25th of July. And then you open the page and you apply the weekly template. So as you can see, there's some stuff in here, but we will talk about that a little bit later in the review part. So now our week is created. We will create today. So to create today, it's very easy once again. You create the day, and then the date will be automatically today. So I usually like putting Thursday, 15th of July, and I will also choose the day template. And then as you can see, it says choose week. So whenever we delete this one and put the correct week, this day will disappear from this view. So as you can see, it has disappeared, but we can still choose the week we want. And there it goes. I might actually fix that. I don't think it needs to. Oh, I know why I did that. I did that so it puts the date automatically. Anyways, so the first thing in the template is called a one sentence. And when I started my journaling, this was the only thing I had. I told myself, okay, you're just going to write one sentence about your day, and that's it, no pressure. So it literally used to take me 1 minute. At the end of the day, I would just write down a sentence and click the checkbox, and that will make me happy. So with time, that has evolved into other things as well, which we will see. So let's say today I recorded a Notion video. And this could be literally anything about your day that you want to record. I usually put something that will describe the day, that will make me remember which day that was. And then I have work and school. So this is to write what you did. So for example, you can write which tasks you've completed, how you felt about them, and anything related to your work or school. And whenever you do that, you can do the checkbox as well. If you that particular day you didn't do it, then you don't tick the checkbox, obviously. Let's just say I finished an important task which made me happy. And then let's click the tick box. And then I've got a mood. So I got mood for work, mood for life, and a mood log. So there's differences between mood for work and mood for life. Here I just have some examples. You can obviously customize these. So for work, I've got productive, unproductive, unmotivated, and excited. And for life, it's a little bit different with things like happy, sad, relaxed, anxious. And you can add something else. I've got more in mine. And then you can write down any thoughts about how you feel, basically explain why you felt a certain way that day. And once again, you click the checkbox if you've completed that. And then I've got thoughts. So this is, did you have any idea during the day? what were you thinking about, or basically anything that you haven't written down in the other categories above, you can just throw it in here. And for me, this could be literally anything. It could be just like, for example, my mood. I will write just like a simple sentence for my mood log, and then I will just write more about it in this more thoughts section. And that's it. This is all you have to do at the end of the day. It's very, very quick. There's no excuses. And basically, every day you can keep track of all of these things and all of your thoughts. And then comes the review part. So, the review part is divided into weekly and daily. So, if we open weekly, we've got all the weeks that we've created. So far, there's only two, which is the example I had before, and then the one we just created. So this weekly review section, there's different views of this database. So firstly, there's the metadata. So for each week, we've got the name of the week, the dates, and then there's week in 3 words and week log. So this is where you would describe your week. I didn't put any examples. You can be free which type of words you want to choose for your weeks, and then you just write down whatever thoughts you have for that particular week. But obviously, it's a little bit difficult to do this review just out of the blue without any information about your actual week. So in all of the other views, you've got all your one sentences. So for example, for this one here, as you can see, there is 3 days in this week that I've added, 3 entries. And this property will bring all the one sentences into one property and make it basically like a paragraph of your whole week. And the same thing goes for like your mood log or your thoughts. It will bring all the different daily entries, and there's also tracking. So this will tell you what's the percentage of days you did your one sentence, your mood log, and then you can compare over time. But that requires a little bit of clicking and checking this and checking that. So there's another way of doing this review, which is you go inside the week. I'll just hide these properties for now. You go inside the week, and then you've got all of this. And then if you want to open all toggles at once, you can just do Command Alt T. So you've got your one sentences, you've got your work logs for the whole week. Obviously in this week there's only one entry that we just created, but for example, if we go to this one, let's open it again. There's the 3 entries that I've created as examples, so you can look at all your one sentences, your work logs, your mood logs for that week, your thoughts, the consistency in these things, and then you can write your week in 3 words and your week log. So if we go back to the template, the last thing there is a daily review, and once again this is just all your entries. So this would be your journal basically. This is all your entries since you've started. So all your one sentences, all your tracking, all your work logs, etc. So if you want to see it bigger, you can open it as a page, and this is basically all your entries for everything. So yeah, I hope that was helpful. I will just show you how I use it in my own Notion, because you can add more things. You can make this template your own. So I will show you mine now. It's my today page, which is my anchor. It connects me to my task management. It has my priorities. It has my weekly focus and main tasks, and then comes the journaling part. So as you can see, it looks extremely similar to the template, and this is what I use every single day, and I've been doing that for quite a long time now. So I've got the one sentence, and then I've got like my meditation log. So this is more ideas for you. So I've got check boxes for meditation morning, evening, and a meditation log. So if whatever I felt, I will write it here, and then a tick box for the meditation log. I've got also my yoga log, which is similar. And then it's exactly the same thing: my work log, my mood, and my random thoughts. And then there's all of my habits. And I also have today's learnings, which is just two relation databases to like my knowledge management. Yeah, so as you can see, it looks extremely similar, and it has been working so well for me. So I hope it works for you as well. Let me know if you download it. The link will be in the description. And also make sure you follow me on Twitter on PhD Notion, because I share a lot there about what I'm doing. I also share a lot of tips for Notion, and we can talk anything Notion and productivity in there. I would love to hear from you. And I will see you in the next video. Bye everyone.